Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can check your Wix website traffic. So first of all let me type wix.com, and after that now I need to select website. Here you can see I have two free websites. So these are just for the practice purpose. And now if you want to check your Wix website traffic, then you can scroll down on the left side. Here you can see analytics, then you can see real-time traffic, then click on traffic, and here you will get all the details. Here you can see this is for the last 30 days. You can apply different filters. For example, you can check monthly traffic, yearly traffic, as well as lifetime.